Hello, how to solve for s and y in this equation? S plus y is equal to 8. Sy is equal to 44. Solution. S plus y is equal to 8. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 44. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, s plus y is equal to 8. S is equal to 8 minus y, or y is equal to 8 minus x. Now let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 44. Let us substitute for y here. You may also substitute for s. We have s bracket 8 minus s bracket is equal to 44. Now s multiplied by 8. 8x minus s multiplied by x, s square is equal to 44. Eight x minus s square. If you take this 44 to this side, it becomes minus 44 is equal to 0. This is minus s square plus 8x minus 44 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole equation by minus 1. Then if you divide the whole of this by minus 1, we have minus s square divided by minus 1. S square plus 8s divided by minus 1. Minus 8s minus 44 divided by minus 1. This is plus 44 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. From quadratic general formula, s will be given as minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And this is s is equal to here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to 44. Then we have minus bracket minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 44 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 8. This is 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 squared, that is 64, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 44, that is 176 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 176, that is minus 112 over 2. And this is same thing as 8 plus or minus square root of 112 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. But 112 is equal to 16 multiplied by 7. Then x is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by 7 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 16. That is 4. Square root of minus 1 is I root 7 over 2. And this is 8 over 2 plus or minus 4 over 2, then I root 7. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. S is equal to 4 plus or minus 2I square root of 7. Therefore, our final answer are S1 is equal to 4 plus 2I root 7, and then S2 is equal to 4 minus 2I root 7. These are the values of S. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y from equation 3, Y is equal to 8 minus X. Y1 is equal to 8 minus S1 is 4 plus 2I root 7. Then Y1 is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 2I square root of 7. Y1 is equal to 8 minus 4. This is 4 minus 2I root 7. So this is value of Y1, and this is the value of X1. Also for Y2, Y2 is equal to 8 minus S2. Y2 is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 2I root 7. Then Y2 is equal to 8 minus 4 plus 2I root 7. Y2 is equal to 4 plus 2I root 7. This is the value of Y2. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 4 plus 2I square root of 7, 4 minus 2I root 7. S2, Y2, this is equal to 4 minus 2I root 7, 4 plus 2I root 7. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S plus Y is equal to 8. Sy is equal to 44. Now let us consider this using either S1, Y1 or S2, Y2. Then we have S plus Y. This is 4 plus 2I root 7 plus 4 minus 2I root 7 must be equal to 8. This cancel this. We have 4 plus 4, that is 8, is equal to this 8, which is true. Now let us consider this. We have Sy. This is 4 plus 2I root 7 multiplied by 4 minus 2i root 7 must be equal to 44. Then if you multiply this very well, we are going to have 16 minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 7 must be equal to 44, because here we are going to have I times I, that is I square, and the square root of, and the I square is equal to minus 1. Then we have 2 times 2 here is going to be 4, and then root 7 times root 7, that is 7. So 4 times 4 is 16. This we cancel this. So therefore, we have here 16 minus 4 times 1, that is plus 4, times 7, that is 28, plus 28 must be equal to 44. Then 16 plus 28, this is 44, is equal to 44, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.